Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make custard kulfi at home. Start by heating full cream milk and reduce it slowly while stirring to avoid burning. Whisk custard powder with a little milk until smooth, then blend into the hot milk and add sugar and cardamom. Cook until thick, cool slightly, pour into molds, and freeze for at least 6 hours for best texture and flavor. Gather full cream milk, custard powder, sugar, cardamom, and nuts if you like. Make a smooth slurry by mixing custard powder with a small amount of cold milk, eliminating lumps before combining with hot milk. Simmer gently while stirring to avoid scalding, and taste to adjust sweetness. Cool the mixture a little, pour into molds, add chopped pistachios if desired, then freeze until solid for a silky kulfi experience. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which listens to voice commands and keeps floors spotless while you focus on kulfi. It even navigates kitchens and under cabinets for you. Check the description for the link and other deals, then tip your hat to convenience. Now let's get back to the video. Keep the heat low and stir the milk frequently so it thickens evenly and doesn't scorch. Gradually whisk in the custard slurry while constantly stirring to prevent lumps and achieve a smooth custard base. Taste and adjust sugar or cardamom, then remove from heat and cool a bit to avoid moisture in molds. Pour into chilled molds, sprinkle nuts if desired, and freeze for at least 6 hours for a creamy, dense kulfi texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.